Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see effects saved on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and then in here, if you wanna see the effect has been saved at your TikTok account, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the profile icon at the bottom, click on it, and then in here you just click on the save icon, this one, click on it. In here you just click on the effect, and in here you can see many effects at your account, many effects saved at your account. You can use the effect that you want. So that's how to see effects saved on your TikTok account. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.